Hi everyone, this is Jane Cho here from thefabulousbodymind.com. I am also the founder of the Heal Club. The club is formed with the objective to help people reverse type 2 diabetes as well as other metabolic syndromes just by making lifestyle changes using the Heal element, H-E-A-L. If you are ready to transform your health and well-being, make sure you subscribe to the channel and get updated with many expert tips. Today I would like to share with you a powerful story of transformation. It is a story of an incredible individual, someone who has experienced the up and downs of a weight loss journey and emerged stronger and more determined than ever. It is my story. In my younger days, I was an active sport woman representing my university as an ex-fencer. I was full of energy and confidence, embracing life with vitality. However, as I transitioned into the working world and the demand of my career grew, I found myself gradually gaining weight. The sedentary nature of my job and the pressures of a busy lifestyle took their toll, and I transformed from the active young woman I once was into someone I barely recognized. I embarked on a journey to transform myself, trying various methods and diet plans in search of sustainable weight loss. From restrictive diets to intense workout regime, I experimented with countless strategies, hoping to discover the secret to long-lasting results. But like many, I experienced the frustration of yo-yo weight fluctuation, feeling trapped in a cycle that seemed impossible to break. Yet, my determination remained unwavering. Deep down, I knew there had to be a solution, a way to achieve sustainable weight loss and vibrant health without sacrificing my overall well-being. And then I discovered the transformative power of the Hollow Body Coaching Program. Through this incredible program, I unlocked the secrets to sustainable weight loss and holistic wellness. I learned that true health and vitality are not about quick fixes or temporary solutions. Indeed, they require a comprehensive approach that encompasses nutrition, physical activity, mindset, and self-care. Guided by the coaching program, I began making lasting changes in my lifestyle. I embraced nourishing my body with wholesome, nutritious food instead of restrictive diet. I found joy in moving my body in ways that were sustainable and enjoyable, rediscovering the active spirit I once had. And most importantly, I learned to prioritize self-care and cultivate a positive mindset, nurturing my holistic well-being from within. Today, as I stand before you, my transformation is a testament to the power of resilience and the importance of finding the right guidance. I have not only achieved sustainable weight loss, but also radiate a glow of vitality and confidence that I thought I was lost forever. My journey serves as a reminder to each and every one of us that we have the power to transform our lives. Sustainable weight loss and vibrant health are within our reach when we embrace a holistic approach rooted in self-care, nourishment, and balanced living. So, I invite you to join me on this incredible journey towards optimal health. Together, let us embrace resilience, seek the right guidance, and unlock the incredible potential within ourselves to create lasting change. My mission is to help people in midlife prevent or reverse diabetes and avoid the many complications that can arise later in life. With the right lifestyle changes, we can take control of our health and enjoy a vibrant, fulfilling life. Join the journey to optimal health together we can make a change. Don't forget to like this video and share this video with others who might benefit. Together we can transform life. Thanks for watching and I see you in my next video.